Hello, welcome to Shervaries. This is Sri Lakshmi. Our website is shervaries.in, and in today's video we are going to take a look at some matka silk sarees of different varieties. I'm wearing a matka silk saree today with a printed blouse. The matka silk sarees that I'm going to show today are all going to come with silk mark tag for purity of silk. The links to each of these sarees are given in the description box below. Let's take a look at today's collection. The first saree for today is a deep red matka silk saree with Madhubani art in digital print on both sides and in temple border pattern, as you can see here. The body goes plain, giving it a classy and beautiful look. The entire saree goes like this, and this is the pallu. The pallu again comes in rich Madhubani art all over. And if you pleat up the saree, this is how the saree will look. Here's another view of the pallu. This saree comes with this plain running blouse. The next saree comes in a color combination that has always been loved over the ages. It's a beautiful shade of yellow, you could call it a deep yellow, with red borders on both sides. It also comes with this centuries old temple borders on both sides, making it look very attractive. The body goes plain, highlighting these patterns. And on the pallu, there is this ikat style print, making it look very attractive. It's a very unusual combination, that is with temple borders and ikat pallu. Here's another view of the pallu. And if you pleat up the saree, this is how it would look. This saree comes with this contrast red blouse in the same fabric and with a thicker patch of red or a strip of red on both sides. The next saree is a beautiful shade of blue, you could call it Egyptian blue, with magenta borders on both sides and with temple border patterns on both sides as well. The body goes plain, making it look very attractive and highlighting these beautiful patterns. The saree has a soft shine that you would typically see in a matka silk saree. This is how the pallu looks, again in ikat pattern, making it look very attractive. Here's another view of the pallu. When you pleat up the saree, this is how it would look. All these sarees come with a silk mark tag. This saree comes with this contrast pink blouse. The next saree is a very attractive matka silk saree again in royal blue shade, that is in the body, and with bright orange borders on both sides and with temple borders as well. This is a very eye-catching color combination, as you can see, and it comes with this bright orange pallu in ikat pattern. Here's another view of the pallu. And when you pleat up the saree, it would look beautiful like this. This saree comes with a beautiful contrast blouse in orange. The next saree is a beautiful parrot green saree with royal blue borders on both sides and with temple borders as well. The body goes plain in green, highlighting these beautiful patterns. The pallu is in ikat style again, making it look very attractive. This is another view of the pallu. And if you pleat up the saree, this is how the saree looks, making it look very elegant. This saree comes with this beautiful contrast blouse in royal blue. The next saree is a beige matka silk saree with beautiful Ganga Jamuna borders on both sides. So it has a red border on top and a copper sulphate blue border on the lower side. The body is plain, helping in highlighting these patterns. The pallu comes with this ikat print that looks very attractive and elegant. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the sari, this is how it would look. This sari comes with this beautiful contrast blue blouse. The next sari is a beautiful mustard yellow sari with a royal blue pallu. It's a pretty rare and unique color combination. This sari comes with subtle zari borders on both sides. The sari goes plain in the middle. This is the simple pallu that the sari comes with a few zari stripes. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the sari, this is how it would look. This sari comes with this beautiful and attractive royal blue blouse. It really stands out against this yellow sari. The next sari is a beautiful light brown matka silk sari with subtle zari borders on both sides. The sari goes plain in the middle, making it look very attractive. The sari comes with a pallu in a darker shade of brown with simple zari stripes. Here's another view of the pallu. And if you pleat up the sari, it will highlight these zari borders. This sari comes with this dark brown blouse with zari borders on both sides. The next sari is a soft shibori matka silk sari with black borders on both sides. Shibori is a tie and dye technique resulting in such lovely patterns all over the sari. The sari comes with a simple pallu. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the sari, this is how it would look. This sari comes with this beautiful contrast black blouse. The last sari for today is another shibori matka silk sari with white and royal blue color combination. It comes with royal blue borders on both sides and with shibori patterns all over the sari. The sari comes with this simple pallu. Here's another view of the pallu. And if you pleat up the sari, this is how it would look. This sari comes with this beautiful contrast blouse. We have many more available colors for this particular pattern. I hope you liked the saris displayed in today's video. The links to each of these matka silk saris are given in the description box below. The link to this entire collection is also given in the description box below. Please let us know in the comment section what saris you would like to see in our upcoming videos. We'll try our best to show you those saris. Please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.